So this is an evening meditation that you can do anytime before going to bed or anytime you want to release any energy that is just feels stuck to you and you just want to let go and relax. So first I want you to relax and close your eyes and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out and another breath in and another breath out. And now I want you to imagine that you are just gently cocooned with loving energy from all around, and that this energy comes all the way from above, all the way below to the center of the earth and back up. So you're just surrounded by this incredible ball of loving energy from all around. And I want you now to imagine either a loving and powerful purple flame, or perhaps it could be a gentle wind, but basically we are going to release all of the energies that didn't serve us today into these things that will help them transmute. So anywhere where you felt tired, where you felt like you didn't have enough time, you felt hurried, I want you to feel where that energy is in your body and imagine just taking it out of your being, out of your field. It could be in your body, on your body, around you. Just take that and just let it gently go all the way out and away. And now I want you to think anywhere in your day, anywhere where you felt hurried and that you're stressed for the next day and so many tasks are unfinished and you are exhausted by your to-do list. I want you to just take all of these things that are weighing you down and just imagine handing them over to the universe to take care of them. Say, thank you. These are done. Thank you for this great gift. And now, anywhere in your day where you couldn't speak your truth, where you weren't happy with what was being said by yourself, by anyone else, anywhere you did not feel authentically you and the way you were communicating, just feel where that energy is and take it out of your being now and say thank you for everything that you served me today, and let it go. It is always good to bless and honor everything in our life, no matter how, quote, wrong it seems or how bad it seems. Just release it without any judgment and let it go and bless it and thank it. Anywhere where you felt bad about yourself, or you felt ashamed, or you felt that you were wrong, that you felt low about yourself in any way or put down, or you feel you put others down, anywhere where you felt triggered in that way, I want you to take that energy from your being and say thank you for all the wisdom and all the knowledge I have gained, and release it now completely, either into that flame or that gentle wind, so that it also may become something else now. And now I want you to think, where did you feel unloved? Where today did you feel you didn't have the support you needed where you didn't feel seen, anywhere where you didn't feel valued, or anywhere where you feel that you are not enough. Take all of these energies out of your being, of your aura, of your body, and imagine taking them out to transmute and just let them release. Say thank you for all the wisdom and knowledge and release them. Anywhere where you felt a lack or you felt that you did not have enough in any way, anywhere where you did not feel that you are lacking in any material abundance of any sort, I want you to take that and just release that completely. Anywhere where you did not feel happy about your health, about your relationships, about your love life, about any performance, anywhere where you just did not feel your best, where you did not feel that you could be completely thriving, just take this energy and just imagine pulling it away from you however it appears, and bless it and say thank you for the wisdom and knowledge. I am ready to let you go. And now I want you to allow yourself 100% full permission to release all resistance to all well-being and all abundance. Anywhere where you feel you are blocking well-being, good things from coming to you, things that you desire, things that you're wanting, anywhere where you're feeling resistance, I want you just to take that energy of all the resistance and allow yourself 100% full permission to completely release all of this now. And anywhere where you feel you have lost your inner child, your creativity, your ability to dream, anywhere where you couldn't just spread your wings and soar in the direction you choose, anywhere where you do not feel aligned with your soul's calling, just take that energy and say thank you for what you've done for me and completely release it now. And now we want to just imagine any other heaviness and think anywhere else in the day that you'd like to release. Just release that now. And now I want you to imagine all of these energies have served you and they are now ready to completely transmute and transform. So let's bless them, thank them, and honor them for everything they have given us. And imagine them just completely transmuting and changing into something far, far away. And now we are going to call upon and bring in ease and grace. We are going to call upon all the energies that we want, all the things that we want that we did not get to have today. Allow yourself 100% full permission to request everything that you want now. So bring in more love, bring in more prosperity, bring in more time, bring in everything to come in and work for you in your favor. Bring in good luck, bring in happy relationships, bring in feeling alive with every step that you take. bring in restful and beautiful sleep that's nourishing, so when you wake up, you can feel completely reborn and transformed in every way. And now bring in any other energy that you want, any other thing that you want to embody, that you want to bring into your life now. Call upon it now. And now imagine taking in this beautiful energy and go to bed knowing that this is completely embodying into you and your soul field. And may you wake up completely reborn and renewed and rejuvenated in every way.